Hello, what's up guys? In this video, without saying much, we'll be cracking this app called Aviator Predictor, as you can see on the screen, and I'll be using this APK editor plus at the left side to crack this Aviator Predictor, which is a Shark Aviator Predictor. So if you have this type of Aviator Predictor on your phone and you are trying to hack it or trying to get the code, I'm gonna show you in this video on how to do that. But before that, I'll go over to show you guys on how to do this. I'll first of all introduce myself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. I go by the name Amos Hustle Online Technique, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, how to get this done on Technique Space, and also how to crack, as I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, on how to crack Aviator Predictor app, Shark Aviator Predictor app. Okay, so if you are one who is interested on all of these things I mentioned, how to make money online, how to earn free crypto, and how to get things done on Technique Space, or how to crack as well, which is what I do in this channel, go over and hit the red subscribe button or white subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like you're going to watch now. So without saying much, let's move into the video starting right now. So guys, basically this video is for educational purposes only. Don't try to misuse any trick shown in this video. I'm just exposing these apps for you guys to know how sure or fake or scam they are. So that is it. So now let's get started. We'll be using this particular app called APK Editor Pro Plus and this Aviator to crack. We'll be using this APK Editor Pro Plus to crack this Aviator Shark Predictor app. Okay, so watch closely and see how I'm doing it. So first of all, open the APK Editor Pro Plus and then navigate to this particular section that says select APK from app. Then do that. If you don't have this APK Editor Pro Plus, it's for cracking apps, message me the number on the screen then to get it, but it's not for free. So now let me locate the Aviator Shark. You can see, okay, so I've seen it here. So here I see it. So now I'm gonna tap it now and then click on here that says full edit resource race rebuild, and then click on the code or files. Very easy. Then after you tap on that, navigate to this particular section, watch down here to see it, these files. Click on the files and then it will open, and once it opens it brings out this thing for you. Then this thing is what you need to do. Tap on here summary and then it will automatically bring out some things for you. Please don't mind the noise you are hearing of the background. People are around here, they are talking. So this is, once you're done, navigate this input keyboard to search. This is what you need to do now. Okay, so move back. Let me just not, you are not just moving back, you're just going to that particular app that says Aviator Predictor, the Shark one. Why I'm calling it Shark is because of the logo, so that's why I'm calling it Shark, Aviator Predictor Shark. So you understand what the particular one I'm saying. So it's going to open. So once it opens, you will now see how this thing looks like, and we are trying to get something there to use it to crack this particular Aviator Predictor. Okay, so if you are getting value, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell for more amazing video. Like this video as well to get to so many people that will be needing to watch these particular videos. Okay, this is also a position video on how the fake this Aviator Predictor app. So now you can see it requires you to enter activation code, which I didn't know. So now I'm going to click on confirm to show you guys something. So I will now click on confirm. As you can see here, you see something here that says Aviator Predictor. You see it. Let me just click on confirm again. You see it here, this Aviator Predictor. So this is what is bringing here. We are going to bring this Aviator to our hacking section. So this input keyboard to search. So now search Aviator Predictor. So here it is. Then click on here that says search to search it. This is what I'm saying. So now click on search. So it's gonna locate it. So tap the second option, which is code activity $1 similarly. So tap on it and then still tap on it again. And then once you tap on it, there's not much thing to hide or to go about. Look at this number 127 here. this is where the code is official. Then copy out the official code, and then you are done. You can see, let's copy it out, and then we are done in getting the code. Now let's just go back to this thing, Aviator Predictor app, Shark. Please, if you are getting value, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this, and then like this video as well. So that's the bird sound, you know, that's nature. So let me paste the code I copied, and then click on confirm. Then boom, it has says welcome. It has automatically opened for us. Then if I click on next game, next game, I don't play bets. This video is for educational purposes. I don't participate in any betting stuff. I don't do bets. So this video is fake. This app is fake. So that's it. This is gonna be the end of this video, guys. I love you guys, because showing this kind of the update, bringing it out, is not easy. So please hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video as well. Until I see you guys in my next video, keep winning and keep cracking. Note, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't try to use it for any harm. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.